Many older homes have timeless charm, but aging windows can make them uncomfortable and inefficient. Drafts, rising energy bills, and difficulty opening windows are common issues in older properties. For homeowners in Rockford, replacing outdated windows with modern slider windows is an effective way to improve comfort while preserving the home's character. Slider window replacement offers a practical upgrade that revitalizes older homes from the inside out. Common window problems in older homes. Older windows often suffer from worn seals, single-pane glass, and outdated frames. These issues allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. During colder months, drafts become noticeable, while warmer seasons bring unwanted heat inside. In Rockford homes, these inefficiencies can lead to higher energy costs and inconsistent comfort throughout the year. Why slider windows are a smart replacement choice. Slider windows operate horizontally, making them easy to use and ideal for areas where space is limited. Their simple design allows for smooth operation and fewer moving parts, which contributes to long-term reliability. For older Rockford homes, slider windows provide a modern solution that blends well with existing architectural styles while delivering improved performance. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Modern slider windows are designed with insulated frames and multi-pane glass that help reduce heat transfer. Tight seals prevent air leaks, eliminating drafts and stabilizing indoor temperatures. For Rockford homeowners, this improved energy efficiency means lower heating and cooling costs and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Enhanced natural light without compromising performance. Older windows often limit natural light due to smaller panes or worn frames. Slider windows feature large glass areas that allow more daylight into the home. In Rockford homes, increased natural light creates brighter, more inviting spaces while maintaining energy efficiency and insulation. Reduced maintenance and long-term reliability. Older windows often require frequent repairs and upkeep. Slider windows are designed with durable materials that resist wear and require minimal maintenance. Smooth tracks and simple operation make them easy to clean and maintain. For Rockford homeowners, this translates into less time spent on upkeep and more confidence in long-term performance. Noise reduction benefits. Modern slider windows also help reduce outside noise. Multi-pane glass and tight seals block sound more effectively than older window designs. In Rockford neighborhoods, this added noise reduction creates a quieter indoor environment, enhancing daily comfort. Preserving character while modernizing performance. Replacing windows doesn't mean sacrificing the charm of an older home. Slider windows are available in styles and finishes that complement traditional designs while delivering modern benefits. Rockford homeowners can maintain their home's aesthetic while enjoying improved efficiency and functionality. A practical upgrade for Rockford homes. Slider window replacement transforms older homes from drafty and inefficient to comfortable and energy efficient. For Rockford homeowners, this upgrade revitalizes living spaces, reduces energy costs, and enhances overall home value, making slider windows a smart investment for preserving both comfort and character.